This is Kepler and you're watching Kepler Talks. Now today we are trading in binary.com. Okay, so it's all about rise and fall. Okay, now in this video I'm going to explain how you can earn big by compounding effect. Okay, what is compounding? It is suppose you're investing 1 lakh rupees in a bank and bank's interest is 8%. Okay, so after 1 year you will get 1 lakh 8,000 rupees. Now again second year you reinvest that 1 lakh 8,000, and after so many years your interest gets bigger and bigger. So now this we are doing in this trading. Now we are going to start from $60. Okay, oh, I lose my first trade, $120. Okay, yep, $2, 3, 4. Today I don't know, my system is a bit laggy. Yep, just follow the uptrend. Market is whether it is going upward or backward or downward. We just have to look. Now trades are a bit risky, you don't know, it's so much fluctuating. The market should be in a proper direction, whether it is up or down. It not be like this, like your heartbeat. Yep, $866. Now this is a serious trade. Okay. The market is really dumping. I think I'm a yes. Oh no. Yep. You don't know, my heart was really in my mouth. So look at me, guys. From 14 something dollars, I make profit $3,009. Okay, it is the power of compounding. I make a good maybe $1,694.99 in a little time. This is the power of compounding. Now this is it for me. It is too much for me. $3,000. It is, I don't know, but it's something good. You are feeling good if you have bucks. So guys, if you like my strategy, please give me a like. If you have any queries regarding this site, this strategy, please don't hesitate to comment on my comment box. And if you are new don't forget to subscribe my channel, and don't forget to uh, click that ring button, okay, the notification type. I don't know what does it called. Okay, so guys, this is Kepler signing off.